morning, student. Let's see today our interesting topic is name as light. We will learn that basically what is meant by the light. The what is the actually energy is there. So we will learn that the light is in the form of the energy. Okay. Again, here actually before the starting the light, we will see the what is the sources are the what are the light sources. There are the different form of the sources. So let's see first here. We want to see there are the some before the starting the sources. Basically, we have to know that the what is the luminance of the body, non-luminous of body. Again, bioluminescence means what? Some bodies are there. This body are emit its own light. Some body does not emit its own light. Again, some organisms are there. They emit its own light is there. So actually, according to this, we classify some different types are there. Let's see here. First is the luminance of the body. Luminous body. Let's see here. This is the luminance of body. So what is meant by the luminous body? Then a body that emits its own light. The body that emits its own light. This is called as a luminous body. Means those bodies are there. Those bodies that emits its own light. This is the luminous body. That examples are the sun, star, again filament bulb, sun tube, okay, again burning candle. These all are the luminous body because these body are emit its own light. So these are the luminous body. Another type is the non-luminous body. Non-luminous body means what? That body which do not emit on its light. The body which do not emit light on their own, so are called as a non-luminous body. Let's see here. There are the number of non-luminous bodies are there. Okay. For example, planet. All planets are the non-luminous body. Okay. Again, natural satellite. These are the non-luminous bodies there. Okay. Any we can consider any body. Those bodies which do not emit the light. So these are the non-luminous body. Now let's see here. Two examples are there. Like this one is the luminous body, sun. Obviously, it emits its own light. So this is the luminous body. This is the moon. This is the natural satellite of the earth. So this is the non-luminous body because it does not emit its own light. So this is the non-luminous body. And another type is the bioluminescence. Bioluminescence means what? The organisms like the glowworm, again the firefly and the fish. These are emits light and the light is given by rain. This is called as a bioluminescence. Let's say this one example is the glowworm is there. So these emits its own light. So these are the bioluminescence. Now let's see one more example. Again here the that is the luminance of the body. Let's see, this is the fluorescent tube is there. CFL. Basically, we know that CFL is there. So this is CFL is the luminance of the body. This is the luminescent body. Why? Because it emits its own light. So this is the luminous body. Okay. One more here. One more example. Again, the sun. Let's see. This is the sun. Again, sun it emits its own light. Some chemical reactions are there, and this chemical reaction is transferred, is converted into the light energy. So this is again the body, luminous body. The sun, again this one the luminous body. Again, when we consider the star, a star is also luminous body because star emits its own light. So these are the luminous body. Okay, so this is the luminous body. One more again. Next example, this one is the non-luminous body. Why? Because this body does not emit the light. This is the example. This is the natural satellite of the Earth, which is known as the moon. This one is the moon. Is that so? Moon does not emit its own light. Actually, in night, when the sunlight is incident on the moon, okay, when the sunlight incident on the moon, it will be reflect. And then we get bright, then we get this bright the actually moon. तब हमें पता चलता है कि अरे हाँ moon is there. Okay, moon light emit करा. Actually, moon does not emit the light. Okay, moon does not emit the light, and moon actually this is the reflection of the light is there. So this moon is the non-luminous body. This moon is the non-luminous body. So this is the one more example is there. Again, one more example, the best example. We will learn that. What is this? This is the sun, our sun. Okay. Again, sun is the example of the planet. And again, planet means what? Planet is a non-luminous body. So obviously, Earth is a non-luminous body because the earth does not emit the light on their own. So this is the non-luminous body. So these are the non-luminous body. Okay. So actually earth is there, different planets are there, satellites are there. So these are the non-luminous body. Again, when we consider the suppose one object is suppose building is there. Again, this building is a non-luminous body. Why? Because the building does not emit the light. So this one is the non-luminous body. And luminous body, different types are there. Luminous body, CFL, LED, fluorescent tube, sun, star. Okay, these all are the luminous body. So these one are the luminous body, and these are the type luminous, non-luminous, bioluminescence. Now come to the next point. Let's see here the source of the light. What is the source of the light? An object or a system of object that gives out a light. Suppose an object is there, an object or any system. Okay, so they are that gives out the light. So this is called the sources of the light. And again, according to the sources of the light, we classify into two types. One is the natural sources of the light, and second is the artificial sources of the light. Natural sources of light, let's see example are the sun, star, glowworm. These are the natural sources of light. These all are the natural sources of the light. And next, the type is the artificial. Let's say artificial sources of light means what? They're the man-made sources. Artificial, these are the man-made sources. So here electric bulb, lamp, these are the artificial. These are the man-made sources of the light. Let's say example is there. A filament bulb, again CFL bulb is there. So these are the artificial sources of the light. These are the two types of the source of light. One is the natural sources of light and second is the artificial sources of the light. Now let's see, this light is traveling from sources to any observer or any obstacle. So between these sources and obstacle, there are some space is there. Space, again, otherwise we call as some portion are there. Okay. So this is the matter. Again, there are some matter are there. So these matter of any type is normally we call as a medium. So this matter between the observer, again the source to the source, these are some medium is there. So according to this medium, there are the again three types are there. Okay. Which one? The first is the optical medium, second is the homogeneous medium, and third is the heterogeneous medium. Optical medium, let's see what is meant by the optical medium. When the light falls on a different medium and it reacts differently. Anything through which light energy can partially or fully pass, this is called as an optical medium. Okay, when the light falls on the any obstacle or any surface. So two things are there. Light is partially passed through the medium, otherwise light is fully passed through the medium. So according to this, again we classified into two types, that is the homogeneous medium and second is the heterogeneous medium. Again, homogeneous medium. What is the homogeneous medium? So an optical medium which has a uniform composition. An optical medium which has a uniform composition throughout is called as a homogeneous medium. So this is a homogeneous medium. Uniform composition. With different example, glass. Let's see, this one, the glass. Glass is the homogeneous medium because here the uniform composition. Again, the pure water. Pure water, this is the again homogeneous medium because uniform composition are there. If suppose only hydrogen gas we do, again only oxygen gas we do, then again this one is the homogeneous medium. Now come to the next, what is the heterogeneous medium? So heterogeneous medium is what? Again, an optical medium which has the different composition at a different position. different composition at different points. This is called as a heterogeneous medium. Now, best example, air. Different compositions are there in air. Hydrogen gases are there, oxygen gas are there. Okay, number of gases, nitrogen or carbon dioxide. So this is the different composition. So this is called as a heterogeneous medium. Again, impure water. This one is the heterogeneous medium. So here these are the two types of the optical medium. Basically, one is the homogeneous medium and second is the heterogeneous medium. So this is the types of the optical medium. Now one more is medium. Again, we classified again three types. That is the transparent medium, opaque medium, and translucent medium. So transparent medium is what? Again, a medium that allows light to pass through it. Medium that allows light to pass through it. It is called as a transparent medium. So examples are there: air, glass, pure water. So these are the transparent medium. Next type, the opaque medium. What is meant by the opaque medium? Again, opaque medium is the medium through which light rays cannot pass at all. Light rays cannot pass. So that medium is called as an opaque medium. So this is the opaque medium. Let's see second image. This is the example of the opaque medium. Wood, metal. Okay, this one is the wood. Okay, so this is the opaque medium because light, when the light is incident on this opaque medium, light does not pass through it. So this is the opaque medium. And one more third type of the medium is the translucent medium. Let's see translucent medium. What is the translucent medium? Certain mediums are like that of fog, oil, paper, so which allows light partially pass through them. So this is called as the translucent medium. So example, let's see, this one is the example of the translucent medium. Take color glass. Okay. Again, oil paper is there. So this is the translucent medium. And transparent medium, so this is the glass medium, this is the transparent medium. Air, so this is again the transparent medium. So these all are the different types of the medium. So let's see here today we have seen the first the what is mean by the sources of the light. There are the different sources of the light. Again, we have seen the medium, different medium are there. There are again basically two types of the medium. Okay. Again, the various form of the medium. So here the again the transparent medium we have seen, opaque medium, translucent medium. These are the various form of the medium. So this point we completed today's chapter. So